Hello, different tech buzz. Some new products in today from Soul Electronics, and we've got the S-NANO, the SFIT, and we have also got the Sync ANC. So we've a nice trifecta of products to test out. So we're going to test a pair a week, and we'll give you our thoughts. But today's just a quick unboxing and first look. And these all look pretty cool and come very well presented, and I love the shape it is and the size of these, and you see them, and again the shape on this. So we're going to start off with the S-NANO ultra portable true wireless earphones, and you've Bluetooth 5.0, you've compact 24 hours, and of course you have got the dimensions here 1-on-1, and here we have got portable. You've IPX5 rated, transparency mode, up to 24 hours battery, and that's pretty much it there. And on the back it'll just show you what you're going to get inside, which is really cool as well. And that's pretty much it there. So you get a carabiner as well, your USB-C, and of course your ear tips. So everything is going on. Let's have a look. So this is what it looks like inside, and it looks pretty small indeed. And in comparison to cases, we will, for example, have some handy here for you now. The cases on these, the case on this particular model is tiny, so we're going to pop them out now and have a look. And it's sealed on two sides there. So in here we get our carabiner here. You get your ear tips, you get a Soul sticker, which is nice, and you get your booklet, and of course your USB-C cable there. So everything is going on. You're getting a lot of stuff in the box compared to others. So we have the earbuds here in the case. So I'm just going to pop all that back in. And look at the size of this case here. It's tiny, which is cool. And it is wrapped with some plastic. And that's it there. Tiny. And you've got the name inside there. So in comparison, for example here, I have my Pixel case here, my Pixel Buds. It's tiny, and some others that I'm using as well, which is really cool to see such a small size. And say my Jabra is here, but there's other size case in these, and of course these are the earbuds here. So you got the branding up on top. That's the right side, and that's the left, and you can see the tips there. I'm going to pop them in. Let's have a look. And the light comes on there, as you can see on the side, and it's a pretty small case. And again, you can see Soul on the front there, and you do have a light on the back on your USB-C port, and a little tag here. So pretty nice, and they ain't budging. So that is the first pair, the S-NANO, the S-NANO. Next up is the SFIT. So on these we have got portable again, auto pairing, ANC codec, USB fast charge, USB-C fast charge, shock resistant, transparency mode, ergonomic fit, up to 33 hours battery, IP67 waterproof, and Bluetooth 5.0. So again, this comes well presented, and here is what we have here. Nice presentation yet again. So I'm going to pop off these little seals on the side. And 1, 2. And one more. So again, we have got the case, we have got the earbuds, and the accessories pack is in here, and that's pretty much it in there. So I'm going to pop that off to the side. So here is the case on these. Pretty nice again, nice colour. USB-C on the back, and of course your LED, and that's what it looks like inside. So you have these wings built in here, and you've got the letter on the ear cup itself again. So I'm going to just throw them in and see what they look like there. And of course they are charging. We'll get around to fixing that. And of course you have the tag here on the side again. Looks pretty cool. So let's have a look and see what else is in the box. So we get a orange sticker this time, which is cool. Your booklet, your extra tips and wings, your carabiner, and of course your USB-C cable. So again, everything is included in the packaging. So again, a pretty nice case, nice colour. It's moving away from the typical normal, and I like this idea as well. And that's pretty much it there. And again, in comparison to others that I'm just currently using, it'll give you some idea. And that's pretty much it there for them. Looks really nice indeed. So I'm going to pop them off to the side next. And finally we have got the Sync ANC active noise cancelling. So these offer again portability, USB-C fast charge, auto pairing, AAC codec, IPX4 sweat resistance. So there's different IP ratings between these. Your transparency mode up to 25 hours battery, ANC and Bluetooth 5.1, and that's pretty much it on the back there. Again, presentation is excellent, as you can see. And let's get these out and have a look. And one more. So we have the accessories pack, and we have the case and the buds. So I'm going to pop them out there now. Pop that back in. So here's the case. Again, nice different colour. You got your USB-C port on the back and your lights, your tag here, and you have got left and right marked inside there, and you can see your contact points and Sync ANC, and these look pretty nice indeed. So you've got left and right branding there, your contact points there, and your mics. So let's see how they go in. So they could pop in like that, and that's what it looks like there. You can see the light come on, light on the back, ain't going to move. So they're pretty nice. And in the accessories box, we get our extra tips, your carabiner, your booklet and information here. Of course you get a coloured sticker again, which is nice, and your USB-C, the USB-A cable. So that is pretty much it, and that's the whole lot of them. So we're going to take them off one by one, test them out, and any questions, feel free to hit us up. I do love this colour range here. It is something different and nice to see, which is moving away from the norm that we're seeing with the black, greys and whites. I like this idea here. And a quicker close up look, one more, and open it up like that one. Those there, and finally I like this colour the most. So that's it for now. Any questions, hit us up, techbuzzard.com. Stay tuned, we have a load of tech in. loads to review. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.